Hey guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe that is going to change your life. Before we get started, I want to thank you for joining me and invite you to look around if you're new here. See what you like. I do a lot of cooking videos. That's all I do is cooking videos, mainly Southern food, and I cook for all different levels, skill levels, so I think you can join in and check it out and follow anything I cook. Alright, today I'm fixing barbecue chicken in the Dutch oven. This can't get any more simpler. I found it one day and I made it, and it's a life changer. Alright, I've got a chicken that I've cut up. Okay, I lie, I bought it cut up. And you want to put the chicken in no certain way, it doesn't matter. So, preheat your oven to 500 degrees. And that's not going to stay at 500 degrees because, that's way too hot. But after you get the chicken in there, I did spray this with a little cooking spray. My Dutch oven looks like this because I baked artisan bread in it one day, and that just burns it up, and I really haven't got a Brillo pad or nothing, but it does the job. Alright, and then you just want to put your barbecue sauce right on top of this. I'm using the whole thing. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia Onion. Tends to be my favorite. Alright, excuse me. Alright, cover it. Put it up in the oven for 15 minutes. And then you want to turn down your oven to 350 and bake it for 1 hour. We'll be back in an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, it has been an hour at this time. Let's look at it. I'm going to take the lid off and let it brown for 15 minutes. And we'll be back whenever everything's done. See you in a minute. Okay guys, we're back. I didn't let this brown the whole 15 minutes, so you can judge it for yourself. Sometimes you might not even need to brown it. So, here's our chicken. And with this, we're having green beans and yellow rice. I'm going to fix my plate. This was a puny chicken, I'll tell you that much. Look at that little thigh. Oh, God. And the legs are... But he was a puny thing, but that's alright. She'll eat good, he'll eat good, whatever it is, it's going to eat good. So, some green beans. Hope everybody's getting ready for Thanksgiving. We're going over to Tony's sisters and her family and Tony's mother on Thursday. She's actually cooking the turkey, but I'm fixing mac and cheese and deviled eggs and homemade yeast rolls. I think I've already got a recipe for that. Alright guys, barbecue chicken in the Dutch oven. Everything's done. I want to thank you for joining me. And like I said, take a look around if you like what you see. Give me a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Thank you guys. Supper's ready. See you later. Bye.